Hi, I'm Dawn, and this is where Shabby meets Bling. We are getting into the heart of entertaining season, and nothing says cocktail party or holiday event like a good charcuterie board. And we are going to today put a twist on the charcuterie board. Hopefully it's something you've never seen before. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a simple cutting board. I was out thrifting and came across a stack of them, so I picked them up because I thought these could be interesting. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this thing and we're gonna make it into an individual charcuterie board. If you look at what is the front where the knife goes, it's a perfect place to put your fingers to hold on to it. It's actually easier to hang on to than a plate. You can't do this with a plate. And then the top, the front of it, which was the back, will now be where you can place your food items. This is also going to be dual purpose, and you'll see what I mean shortly because we're going to put another spin on it as well. But first, we have to put a design here. So let's start with that. So the design part is done. I did a total of 6 in all, but now it's time for that spin I told you about to make it dual purpose. So just wait till you see what we do next.